Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question.
1. The receptor for salicylic acid that activates gene expression is A. SABP2, B. MPR3, C. MPR4, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. 2. EDS5 transports SA across the plasma membrane, B, tonoplast, C, plastid membrane, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. 3. Salicylic acid can affect A, plant growth, B, pathogen resistance, C, plant-to-plant communication, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. 4. SA induces SAR, and SAR facilitates pathogen resistance for the A, first line of defense, B, second line of defense, C, long-term defense, D, all of the above, E, none of the above. 5. Salicylic acid has blank biosynthetic pathways. A, no, B, 1, C, multiple, D, all of the above, E, none of the above.
In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.